Harold here. Today we're going to get going on a little more powerful stuff. The fourth context in Polar's DataFrames is grouping and aggregation. A little housekeeping. If you run this cell, you'll get rich print. We'll import Polar's as PL. I'll include the Colab notebook in my repository along with the Pokemon data file. I want to set so I see all table columns. So I did pl.config set table columns 100. Then to get the data, you go here, upload it. I'll have it in my repository. You can download it, upload it from here, and it'll be available in your session. Then you say df equals pl.read csv Pokemon data CSV. I've covered all this before, but I like to put it in each lesson in case you're watching the individual videos. And then let's take a look at the head. And I like to print for the rich print. I don't like the standard Colab printout. If y'all know what I'm talking about. If that head can do that. It looks like that. I have a hard time reading all that. So I do import print from rich. And I can do it this way. And it's got nice different colors for integers and floats. So aggregation, group by and aggregation. When I group by something and perform an aggregation function, the common used ones are sum, mean, median, min, max, and len. I want to group Pokemon by type 1, sum their HP, and rename that column to a total HP. So here we go. Result equals df dot in our new function group by. Notice it's got an underscore. Pandas does not. Type 1. So I've done that. And I won't put this whole thing in parentheses. So we could chain here. So then I could say dot ag pl.call. So I'm grouping by type 1, aggregating by HP. Then you use the aggregation function dot sum, and then we'll do the alias tote HP. So when we print result, we should get 2-column data frame with type and total HP for that type, for each type. And that's what we got. So you can see, scroll went crazy on me, sorry. Fairy, total HP 1260, Ice Fire. We could go ahead and gain on a dot sword. The same equals true. And we see water have the most total HP and flying have the least total HP as a group. Pretty interesting analysis results you can get with group by and ag. Let's do some more. I'll group by type 1 and get the average attack average speed, median defense, max HP, and min HP. We'll do a whole bunch at once. I can say result equals df dot group by. Well, we wanted to group by type 1 again. And we want to dot ag. And then we can do all the different aggregations here. So I could say pl.call attack dot main dot alias vg attack. Now let's copy this down and we'll just edit it a little. So Alt Shift down arrow 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And we wanted to do average speed. Median defense. Max HP. And min HP. So if we print result here, we've got a great, nice new data frame with all of our Pokemon type 1 groups, average attack, average speed, median defense, max HP, and min HP. And remember, you could round these. Uh, so let's just round average attack. You would put it right here. Dot round to. Let's go ahead and just do that for all of them, at least the average ones. Oh, I didn't change min to mean to min. So let's put round 2 on the average ones. You learned dot around and I didn't do a video on it. So that looks a lot better. They're all floating points now. The ones that were integers that we did mean and median on are now, notice they're now float 64s also. And then here's something else you could do to get the count of each type 1 Pokemon. So this is just show you how to get a count. Result equals df dot group by type 1. Let's do this in one line. Dot ag pl for count. Use when count is deprecated. Len dot alias poke count, and we'll print result. So there's 112 water, 32 ghosts. That's how you do count using the land. Here's a little trickier one. Group by speed in like decade tiers, 10s, 20s, 30s, 40s, and find the max and min for each. So this will be our last and more advanced example. Result equals df dot group by. And I want to group it by pl.call HP. And then I want to do strict division. No modular. No modular. Ten times 10. Got alias. We're going to call this speed tier. We'll see where I'm going in a second. So that's my group by. Then I want a dot ag. I want to count. Then I want a pl.call HP dot max dot alias fastest. And let's copy that down. Excuse me. Alt shift down arrow. Say min slowest. Then I want to go ahead and sort that speed tier, comma descending equals true. And let's print that result. What do you think we're going to get? Let's see. So in the speed tier of 250, the speed tier of 0 to 10, there's one Pokemon. He is the fastest and slowest. But if you go up to like 140, there's two. One's 144, one's 40. Right here in the middle, in the 70s, there's 142 Pokemon. The fastest is 79, the slowest is 70. So I've kind of made speed tiers and counted how many Pokemon are in each. I think that's a good advanced example. Take these group by and ag functions in the Pokemon data frame and play around with them. See what you can come up with on your own for exercises. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.